fun with steppers and Python. This is a Raspberry Pi Zero with a little unipolar stepper motor, one of these cheap Chinese ones that you can get. Works quite nicely. It's got a little gearbox on it, 3D printed gearbox of my own invention on the back to drive this little clock mechanism I've been working on. The driver board comes with the motor and it's a unipolar stepper, so it's fairly basic, and you can't run it all that fast because the timing's not going to be that great, but it works quite nicely for this little sort of app. So here's the phone. This is the bluedot app, a very nice little app for talking to things in a Raspberry Pi over Bluetooth. The interface is nice and straightforward and simple to use. The blue dot enables you to press in various ways. I've only used part of the interface here. So if we tap here, it makes the clock go forwards. The first tap, which is actually that level, is notionally real clock speed. You can actually make it go, mess about the time, make it go nice and fast. Tapping in the middle stops it, and tapping on the left goes backwards. We can go backwards in time just as fast as we can go forwards if we want to. The Bluetooth app, or that's actually interfacing between bluedot in the Raspberry Pi and the motor driver, is trivially easy. It's about 60 lines of code, which makes it nice and simple to use, and it's a nice little interface with a very simple to use front end on your phone.